Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss lesson 6, Kingdoms of Domain Eukarya. There are four main kingdoms of Domain Eukarya: Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae, and Kingdom Animalia. Now we start the lesson. Salient features of Kingdoms of Domain Eukarya. Eukarya includes organisms with true nuclei and membrane-bound organelles. There are four major kingdoms in Domain Eukarya: Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae, Kingdom Animalia. First of all, we will discuss Kingdom Protista. Eukaryotic organisms that may be unicellular, colonial, filamentous, simple multicellular. These are main characteristics of the organisms belong to Kingdom Protista. Simple multicellular forms lack multicellular sex organs. Eukaryotic organisms, unicellular. This is an example of unicellular. Paramecium. This is colonial. Volvox. This is filamentous. Now we will discuss major groups in Kingdom Protista. Number 1 is Protozoa. Number 2, algae. Number 3, Myxomycota and Omycota. We will discuss these groups of Kingdom Protista one by one. Protozoa, animal-like, unicellular and heterotrophic. Examples are Paramecium, amoeba. And second group of Kingdom Protista is algae, plant-like, cellulose walls and chlorophyll. They are autotrophic. Examples are Euglena, diatoms. Myxomycota and Omycota, fungi-like, sporophytic. Examples are slime molds and water molds. And next is Kingdom Fungi. These are eukaryotic and heterotrophic organisms. May be unicellular or multicellular. Cell walls are made of chitin. Absorb nutrients from surroundings. This is about fungi, eukaryotic and heterotrophic organisms, unicellular, multicellular. Cell wall is made by chitin. They absorb nutrients from surroundings. Kingdom Fungi examples: mushrooms, rusts, smuts, molds. This is mushroom. This is rust. On the plants, you can see magnified view. This is smut. On the plants, you can see magnified view. And this is mold on bread, and you can see magnified view of mold. Mushroom, rust, magnified view, smut, magnified view, mold, and this is magnified view of mold. Uses of fungi: bread production. Yeast is used in bread production. Yeast ferments dough, producing carbon dioxide that makes the dough rise and creates soft, spongy bread. penicillium is used to make cheese. Molds like penicillium are used in cheese ripening, giving flavor, texture, and aroma. Yeast is used to prepare beer. Yeast ferments sugars in malt, producing alcohol and carbon dioxide in beer. Importance of fungi. Medicinal importance. Penicillin obtained from penicillium. This is penicillium, a fungi that is used to prepare, synthesize penicillin, and that penicillin is used as antibiotic. It's used to treat bacterial infections, saves millions of lives worldwide. Major groups of fungi: Zygomycota, Ascomycota, Basidiomycota. This is Zygomycota. You can see this is Zygomycota. Example is mold, and in Zygomycota, zygote is formed. In Ascomycota, ascus is formed. Ascus is a body in which ascospores are formed, and plural are known as asci. If more than one ascus, then we will say asci. They get together and form fruiting body that is known as ascocarp. Due to presence of ascus and ascospore, this is known as Ascomycota, and presence of zygote, a zygospore, this is known as Zygomycota. In Basidiomycota, a structure basidium is present. On basidium there are spores that are known as basidiospores, and the fruiting body containing basidiums and basidiospores is called basidiocarp. Due to these characteristics, this group is called as Basidiomycota. Major groups of fungi: Zygomycota, hyphae without septa. Example, Rhizopus, a bread mold. This is Rhizopus, a bread mold. You can see non-septate hyphae. There is no cross wall in the hyphae of the Zygomycota. And next group is Ascomycota. Largest group, septate hyphae. Examples are molds, morels, truffles, yeasts. You can see cross walls in the hyphae. These hyphae are known as septate hyphae. This is the characteristic of that group. And next group is Basidiomycota. Septate hyphae. Examples, mushrooms, rusts, smuts. You can see hyphae. Hyphae are septate. They have cross walls. This is the characteristic of Basidiomycota, and presence of basidiospores is the characteristic of Basidiomycota. And next is kingdom Plantae. Eukaryotic and multicellular organisms. Cell walls made up of cellulose. They are autotrophic and they can prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Examples, mosses, ferns, conifers, flowering plants. These are mosses, and these are ferns, and these are conifers, and these are flowering plants. Major groups of plants. Non-vascular plants, they lack xylem and phloem. Examples are liverworts, hornworts, and mosses. And vascular plants, they have conducting tissues, xylem and phloem. These are non-vascular plants. There is no vascular tissues. Thallus body, no vascular tissues. Hornworts, thallus body, no tissue, no vascular tissue. Mosses, leafy stem, no vascular tissue. Internal structure, you can see cross section of the body. There is no xylem or phloem. In non-vascular plants, there is no xylem, no phloem. Body is thallus-like body in liverworts, in hornworts, thallus body, in mosses, leafy stem. But there is no xylem and phloem. And vascular plants, they have conducting tissues. Examples are ferns, conifers, flowering plants, seed plants. In the cross section of their stem, we can see vascular bundles. Xylem and phloem is present. Conducting tissues present. That is xylem and phloem. That is present in vascular plants. Seed plants, these are gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperms, they have naked seeds, cones bearing plants. Examples, pine, spruce. Angiosperms, flowering plants, seeds enclosed in fruits. Monocots, grass, corn. Dicots, rose, sunflower. This is gymnosperm. This is gymnosperm. This is a cone which bear seeds. Examples of gymnosperm: pine, spruce. And this is the structure of cone: male cone, female cone. And seeds are naked, not in the fruit, they are naked. Cone scale with seeds. This is a scale of a cone and where seeds are attached. Seeds are naked. Naked seeds which are produced outside the flower. Naked seeds are produced without a fruit. And these are angiosperms, flowering plants, seeds enclosed in fruits. Monocot, grass, corn. Dicots, rose, sunflower. You can see seeds in the fruit. Examples of monocot: grass, we can see vascular bundles in the cross section of stem. Corn, we can see vascular bundles in the cross section of stem. Dicots, rose, this is the stem. We can see vascular bundle ring in the stem. Sunflower, we can see vascular bundle ring in the stem. Flowers, fruits, and seeds are formed within the fruits. This is all about seed plants. Kingdom Animalia, eukaryotic, multicellular, and heterotrophic organisms, develop from embryos. They can ingest food and digest it inside their bodies. They can ingest food and digest it inside their bodies. Animals represent one of the most diverse kingdoms of life. You can see animal kingdom. General characteristics: they are eukaryotic, multicellular, heterotrophic. They develop from embryos. This is embryo. Ingest food and digest inside the body. There is a digestive system. Diversity of animals: sponges, cnidarians, worms, molluscs, arthropods, echinoderms. Animals inhabit every environment on earth, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, playing vital roles in ecosystems and representing one of the most diverse kingdoms of life. This is all about animal kingdom. Thank you.